Today I will give you an introduction to human anatomy and physiology according to Barron. We will discuss anatomy, physiology, levels of organization, and functions. Anatomy. It can be microscopic, macroscopic, or developmental. Macroscopic anatomy studies everything that can be seen with the naked eye. Microscopic anatomy, which is also called histology, studies cells and tissues. Developmental anatomy studies the development of an individual from the fertilized egg stage to the adult. Physiology. Types of physiology are cytology, neurophysiology, renal physiology, and reproductive physiology. Cytology is the study of cells and their functions. Neurophysiology is the study of the nervous function. Renal physiology studies the excretory system and its functions. Reproductive physiology studies reproductive genes and ways of reproduction. Levels of organization. The smallest and the simplest level of organization is the atom, which is an electron-microscopic particle of matter. The second level of organization is the molecule. Examples of molecules are water and sodium chloride, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. The next level of organization is the cell. This is the fundamental unit of living organisms, and it contains subcellular structures called cell organelles. Tissue is the next system of organization. It is a group of cells with similar structures and the same function which are working together. An organ is an anatomical and physiological center specialized for an activity. The next system of organization is an organ system. Examples of organ systems are the digestive, respiratory, nervous, circulatory, integumentary, skeletal, muscular, immune, endocrine, urinary, and reproductive systems. The most advanced level of organization is the organism. Functions. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical processes that take place in the body. It can be anabolism or catabolism. Anabolism is the synthesis of organic matter with energy consumption. Catabolism is the breakdown of organic matter with energy production. The next function is movement. It results of voluntary or involuntary muscle contractions. Growth involves the fact that a body receives substances from the external environment and increases its mass. Conductivity is the function of some cells to transmit stimulus from one part of the body to another part of the body. For example, nerve cells and muscle cells have this property. Excitability is the function that deals with the response of the organs to an internal or external stimulus. Excretion is the process of removing waste products from the body. Reproduction is the formation of new cells through growth, repair, and replacement, or the reproduction of a new individual. Reproduction can be asexual when it forms new cells through growth, repair, or replacement, or it can be sexual when it produces a new individual. Homeostasis. This is the totality of the processes that contribute to maintaining the parameters of the internal environment within normal limits. It basically deals with the relatively constant maintenance of the parameters of the chemical and physical environment in the cells. Water, nutrients, and oxygen are essential for maintaining the homeostasis from a chemical point of view. The right temperature and constant atmospheric pressure are physical requirements for maintaining the homeostasis. Illness, pain, heat, and lack of oxygen can cause imbalances. Thus, an organism is healthy, which means that it is at the reference value only if it self-regulates through feedback mechanisms. Feedback mechanisms can be negative or positive. The negative feedback mechanism is the main means by which the organism preserves its homeostasis. This involves stopping the secretion of a substance in the body when it is no longer needed. Positive feedback is the ability of the body to tell the respective effector in the body to continue the secretion of a substance. For example, after we eat sugar, our blood sugar level increases. Therefore, the body sends a positive feedback to the pancreas in order for it to secrete insulin. After our blood sugar level drops, the body sends negative feedback to the pancreas to stop the secretion of insulin in order to maintain the homeostasis of the organism and not be hypoglycemic. That being said, we've reached the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Have a nice week.